Hey you all, Lisa here with our Georgia Suburban Homestead. I just finished some final touches to a few resin things I'm making and started some more. Before going to walk the garden, I figured maybe some of you would enjoy strolling with me and see what I've been up to. Okay, first of all, you always keep smaller molds handy for overflow. And I'm playing around with something that's called washi tape. It's clear tape that you put on the resin and have to burnish it in and then put another layer or two of resin on top. But this is for overflows. And I just finished this soap tray. It's got the final layer of resin in the top. This one's a real blingy one. Trinket tray with real flowers and washi butterflies in it. And then this one, same thing, but with a gold edge. You see, that's a sticker, and that's a sticker. And then these are real dried flowers. Alright, so let's see what's going on outside. We've had rain every single day for the last couple weeks. And things are soggy. But I'm waiting eagerly for my Corella or bitter melon to come up. This is curry bush. The curry bush I had that was like 7 feet tall died this winter. I've had it for years and years. Heartbreaking. Heartbreaking. We've got pineapple guava. This is new this year, and look at all the new growth on it. We have, golden raspberries. Y'all, these are like the best. Gotta leave some for Charlie. Jerusalem artichoke coming. Some people call them sunchokes. Oh, actually, that's raspberry. There's Jerusalem artichoke. I'm so distracted eating these raspberries, I don't know what I'm looking at. Oh. Bay trees I haven't sold yet. They're looking pretty good. I'm keeping a few kefir lime. I've started making jelly. Got my first batch in there. Oh, look. So, plant people, what is my nasturtium saying with the leaves curl? Blooms look good. Of course, those are edible. And then we've got some Thai basil. This is a pepper patch. But we've got a few other things like tomatillos. Oh, look. Got eggplant coming. See them? Scotch bonnet peppers, cardamom. Cardamom's saying it's got a little too much sun here. Oh. Rose of Sharon. More edible roses. If I could reach them, I'd pick them and make some more jelly. But they're too tall. Anise hyssop. That's a wonderfully flavored herb that's good for your breathing and your bronchial tubes, but it's also wonderful made into vinegars for fruit salad. It's really, really good. So let's go in the gate. I haven't taken you back to this garden in a bit, have I? Oh, wow. That's just been a couple of days. And that plant has really taken off. Those are Japanese cucumbers. Got a little eggplant struggling. The mojito mint's going nuts. The Chinese, that's the Chinese cucumber. I need to feed them. I can tell by the color of the leaves. Look at the turmeric. This turmeric has been in this raised bed since 2018. Look at the rainbow char. So that's been in there quite a few years. Let's see. I am really looking for my Corella, which I planted somewhere in here. I see a little bit of fungus started. We'll have to get some neem after that. These are going to be tromboncini, volunteer tomato, and the Corella just hasn't come up at all. I usually get volunteer Corella. Look at this eggplant. Yeah, it's just starting to bloom. I look forward to good things from you, Mr. Eggplant. And these are yard-long beans. On this side, we've got the green ones. And on this side, we've got the red ones. And they'll grow way up over the top of this trellis. Chard did really well this year. This huge patch of green is Melissa officinalis, which is lemon balm. Wonderful. Look how big that is. Beautiful. Pink champagne blueberries. The lady over at Willis Orchard convinced me to try these, and they, I'm telling you, are like candy. Oh my God. I don't even want to look at this garden. We have got some work to do. Amazing. But before we sign off, I got to show you this Rose of Sharon bush over here. There's our back garden cat, Maurice. My basil tower, basil and chives, Italian basil. That's another one I did. This I grew from seed. Looking pretty good. You have my citrus trees. I don't know if you can tell what's a tree and whatever. That's how much rain we've had this week. We dumped this out last Sunday and it's just Thursday. Still got some lettuces and shiso and thyme and strawberries. Been eating strawberries as fast as it can produce them. But take a look at these blooms. This is Rose of Sharon. I showed you the white one already, but these are purple. Oh. Look at that color that's in there. My lemongrass is doing really good. There's that cat again. What are you doing? The cherimoya tree is doing really well. Ackee tree is hanging on. My sugar apple's not happy. I don't know why. What's wrong, sugar apple? It came all the way from Puerto Rico. I guess that looks like it's going to be okay. It's just adjusting to weather here. Black sapote. It's my rain catcher. That used to be all trees. Neighbor just had all her trees cut down, much to my dismay. But it has opened up some sun on this hill, so we can now plant stuff on the hill that might make it. And before we sign off, let me show you the bee compound. We were gifted these daylilies years ago. And they are such a joy. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? That's a fountain. It's not working right now, but it's a fountain that I made with cement leaf impressions for gobo leaves. You know, look at the bees. I can't stand here long because they don't like me. They'll come get me. So, with that, that's basically the back garden. A couple of more things, but I won't bore you with them. When they get to a good height, I'll get pictures of it, okay? So, thumbs up. Thanks for walking through the yard with me. Let me know what you think. You know, the Rosa Sharon, I don't remember saying, it is edible. It is. It really is. Okay, so be good, subscribe, hit the bell, all that good stuff. Bye.